Hey girl, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is LACHELLETRENDS, and in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing right here. This unit was sent to me from Junoda Wig. I will have them and this unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do hair videos, fashion videos, as well as play and makeup, so go ahead and join the gang, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So yeah girl, let's jump into it. Okay sis, so again I received this unit from Junoda Hair, and it came in this box right here. So opening the box, we have the bag where the hair came in. Of course I already took the hair out so we could pre-pluck it and all that good stuff. So inside of here we have another bag with their logo on it, and inside of the bag we have, what is this? Oh, okay, this is an elastic band, and then this is just step-by-step instructions on how to take care of the hair. We as well have a wig cap, and as well we have some cute little lashes and a edge brush. So let's get into this unit. Y'all already know I will have the details once we jump further into the video, but we do have a closure unit. I want to say it's 4x4, but again I'll have the details once we jump further into the video. But this is the unit. Don't mind the way that it looks. It only looks like this because again I did pluck it and kind of wash it a little bit, so the curl pattern is not there. But inside of the unit we have our inside of the cap. This is what it looks like. It has the 4x4 closure. It has two combs, one on either side, as well as like this little elastic band and a comb in the middle, I believe. Yeah, a comb in the middle right here, as well as a comb at the bottom, along with adjustable straps. So yeah, one more time for the unit, and we're gonna go ahead and put her on. So I'm starting off by tinting my lace from the brand Red in the shade medium dark brown. To lay my wig, I'll be using my Got To Be Glue Free Spray, and I'm just going to spray around the hairline and then blow dry it in. So now I'm just combing out that glue, getting it out of the hair, and then once I get it situated, I'm going to begin cutting the lace. So now I'm going to tint my lace one more time using my Black Radiance Contour Palette in the shade medium to dark, and I'm just going to place that powder along the hairline, and then I'm going to go in with my wax stick and I'm going to place that wax all along the parting space, then go in with my hot comb, and this is just going to make the hair lay super flat. So now for these baby hairs, I'm just going to take some hair out on the side. Once I get it to my liking, I'm going to cut it and then curl it with my little flat iron. And then to lay them down, I'll be using some more Got To Be Glue Free Spray. So now that I'm done with the baby hairs, I'm going to go back in and fix up the front. I'm going to use my hot comb and just kind of just brush it with my little edge control brush and just make it as flat as can be and cute in the front. So now I'm going to cut some layers into the hair, nothing drastic or whatever, just a little bit. So we're going to trim it, and then after I get it cut to my liking, I'm going to start curling the hair up. Okay sis, so this is what the hair ended up looking like. Super cute. The hair is flowy and bouncy, and girl, I'm just in love. Anyways, let me go ahead and turn around so you can see the back. So that was the back, sis. Let me go ahead and get situated so we can get into these details. So again, I received this unit from Junoda Wig, and on their website it says that this is their body wave transparent lace frontal wig, Brazilian. It says 28-30 inches. However, this is a 4x4 closure. The density is 180 and the length is 22 inches. The color is just a natural hair color. The cap size is 21.5 to 22.5 inches. It says the lifespan of this hair is 12 to 24 months with proper care, and yes, it can be permed. Now I did scroll down a little bit. It doesn't say anything about it being able to be dyed. However, typically these units, if it can be permed, it can be dyed and fried and all that good stuff. So yeah. anyways, let's jump into these details. So first and foremost, I will say that this unit is in between big head friendly and not big head friendly. And the reason why I say that it is a little bit on the not side is just because I did struggle to put this unit on just a little bit, not a lot. But with it being a closure unit and you only have this much space, I did have to like hold it down in order for it to stay. Like I didn't have any other, you know, lace or whatever in order to grip my head. I just had this right here, that little space. So yeah, I did have to hold it down in order to spray it and for it to stay, because it would not stay on its own. It is a little snug, but nothing unbearable at all. It's still a pretty good fit, but you already know your girl has a big head, so it is a little harder to please me because my head is big and I know that. But anyway, so yeah, just in between big head and not. I will say the texture, y'all, the texture is super soft. Like I already knew that this was going to be some good hair off rip. Just getting it out the package, the hair was super soft. Even after I washed it or whatever, it was still soft. You can run your finger straight through it, no tangling, no shedding, like sis. Now I did have to go in and trim the front because the front of the hair right here was a little on the thinner side, but I was going to go ahead and trim the front anyway just because I like layers and bangs. So it was nothing like, oh my goodness, I can't believe the hair was thin in the front. I mean, it wasn't even a big deal and you wouldn't be able to notice it as much, but again, I had washed it, so I kind of blow dried it as well in the front and I could tell and I could feel it. But again, it was just, you know, basically it is what it is. It wasn't nothing like just alarming. So yeah, again, y'all, the hair is just very bouncy, flowy. It has a lot of volume. It does have frizz, but I did not go in with my serum. Usually I do. I go in with my little fructis serum just to tame the frizz. But y'all, this is the hair with no product, no nothing on it, no oil sheen, and look how flowy it is. You can run your fingers through it and it's just super bouncy, like sis. It's very, very good hair. The lace, sis, let's talk about this lace, because sis, what lace? Like, do you see the lace? Now a lot of companies say that their lace is transparent, which I just think is typical nowadays for people to add transparent in front of their lace, whether it is or it isn't. But honey, when I say this lace is transparent, lace wear, like you cannot tell me that this hair is not coming from my scalp. It is definitely coming from my scalp. Like, it looks really good. Now mind you guys, I did pluck it a little bit more, but you really don't have to. It doesn't say that this comes pre-plucked, but the hairline the hairline looked really good straight out of the package. Like, I really didn't even need to, and I'm glad that I'm not heavy-handed, because a little bit I was balding it just a little bit. But yeah, girl, so I didn't over pluck it, thank goodness, because it would have been easy to over pluck it. But y'all, when I say it looks good, it looks super good. I didn't even go in and add any more powder to the front like I normally would. Like normally I would add some powder to the part just so you're able to see it, and some more powder in the front off camera, but I didn't, and it still looks good. Like sis, I'm excited about this unit. Very easy, very beginner friendly. So yeah, I'll have it linked in the description box below if you want to get your hands on it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.